Hey everyone. Welcome back to Information House, the channel where we help you find the best products for your home and lifestyle. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best TV wall mounts you can buy right now. Whether you're setting up a home theater, mounting your new flat screen, or just trying to save space, we've got you covered. We'll break down each option based on build quality, adjustability, ease of installation, and value for money. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which mount fits your setup. All the product links are listed in the description below, so make sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. All right, let's jump right into our list of the top 5 best TV wall mounts. Number 5. Gear Max Motion. Upgrade your setup with the Max Motion Full Motion TV bracket. Designed to fit nearly any VISA pattern, this mount works perfectly with all major TV brands: LG, Sony, Vizio, Samsung, and more. Install it in under 30 minutes with the included drilling template and hardware kit. It's so easy, you'll be watching White Lotus before bedtime. Built from heavy-duty steel, it holds TVs up to 90-inch or 125 pounds, giving you total peace of mind. Adjust your viewing angle with ease. Extend up to 22 inches, swivel 130 degrees, or push it back just 2.4 inches for that sleek, low-profile look. And here's the best part. For every EGLF2 mount sold, Gear plants a tree. Great for your setup and the planet. Need a hand? Their friendly Minnesota-based support team is available 7 days a week to help you out. 4. Monte Heavy-Duty TV Wall Mount. Looking for a TV wall mount that's ultra-strong, stylish, and easy to install? The Monte Full Motion TV wall mount is built for serious strength. Engineered with 4x load testing and reinforced dual arms to hold 37 to 90-inch TVs weighing up to 165 pounds. Whether it's your living room, gaming setup, home theater, or conference room, this mount delivers professional-grade stability and performance. It supports VISA patterns from 200 by 100 millimeter to 600 by 400 millimeters and works perfectly with brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL, and Hisense. With tool-free tilt, 6-degree swivel, and -3 degrees leveling, you can easily find your perfect viewing angle for movies, games, or meetings. Plus, the space-saving design extends up to 16.6 inches and retracts to just 2.75 inch for a sleek, modern look. Installation is simple with pre-labeled hardware, a bubble level, and step-by-step instructions. You'll be done in under 30 minutes. The Monte TV wall mount, strength, style, and smart design, all in one. 3. USX Mount UL-listed. Upgrade your home entertainment setup with the Full Motion TV Wall Mount XML06-24K, built for strength, flexibility, and convenience. This heavy-duty mount fits most 42 to 85-inch TVs with VISA sizes from 200 by 100 millimeter to 600 by 400 millimeter and supports up to 110 pounds. Designed for easy TV centering, it fits perfectly on 16-inch or 24-inch studs, even when off-center, giving you more freedom in setup. Enjoy the ultimate viewing experience with +5 degrees 15-degree tilt, -45 degrees swivel, and -4-degree leveling adjustments to position your TV exactly how you like it. The mount extends up to 16.67 inches and retracts to just 2.58 inches for a sleek, low-profile look. Installation is quick and simple with pre-labeled hardware, a mounting template, bubble level, and cable ties included. Plus, the US-based support team is ready to assist you anytime. The USX Mount XML06-24K, where stability meets flexibility for the perfect TV setup. 2. Vivo Pop-Out Steel. Upgrade your home theater, office, or professional display setup with this versatile video wall mount system. Designed to hold 4 screens in either portrait or landscape orientation, it's perfect for creating stunning 2x2 grids, vertically stacked displays, or ultra-wide multi-screen setups. Each mount supports 37-inch to 90-inch TVs and fits common VISA patterns including 200 by 200 up to 800 by 400. The pop-out design makes setup and maintenance simple. Just push to access cables or ports behind your screens. Built from heavy-duty steel, this system supports up to 154 pounds on concrete walls, 110 pounds on wood studs for rock-solid stability. Plus, with precise leveling adjustments including +3 degrees to -3 degrees swivel, 0.5-degree tilt, and smooth sliding capability, you can align your screens perfectly for a clean, professional look. 1. Perlegear UL-listed. Looking for the perfect TV wall mount? The Perlegear full-motion swivel TV wall mount is designed to fit most 40 to 85-inch flat, and curved TVs, compatible with top brands like Samsung, Sony, LG, Philips, Panasonic, Toshiba, and more. With VISA patterns from 200 by 100 to 600 by 400 millimeters, it supports installation on 8-inch, 12-inch, 16-inch wood studs, concrete, and brick walls. Just make sure these conditions are met before use. Enjoy a comfortable viewing experience with its flexible tilt of +5 degrees, 15 degrees to reduce glare, and 50-degree swivel for perfect screen positioning. You can even fine-tune the level by 3 degrees after installation. Built tough with heavy-duty steel dual articulating arms that are 30% thicker, this UL-certified mount supports up to 132 pounds and includes security locks and anti-drop caps for peace of mind. Its space-saving design extends up to 16.6 inches and retracts to a sleek 3-inch from the wall, with openings for clean cable management. Plus, the included hardware, template, and easy instructions make installation quick and simple. Just remember, don't mount on drywall alone. All right, everyone. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best TV wall mounts. Whether you're looking for a full-motion mount, a slim fixed design, or something budget-friendly, there's an option here for every setup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews. All the TV wall mounts featured in this video are linked down below in the description, so make sure to check them out for the latest prices and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.